Hi guys, we want to simplify square root of 13 plus 1 divided by 2 raised to the power 7. Guys, this is a very interesting USA question. Let's solve it together. Let's say solution. We have square root of 13 plus 1 divided by 2 raised to the power 7. Right? So from here, the first step we take is let this equals, maybe we use x. Let x equals square root of 13 plus 1 divided by 2. And if x equals this, so it means that we have x raised to the power 7. So this x raised to the power 7 is what we want to find, right? Okay, all right. So now from here, if we cross multiply here, we are going to have 2x equals square root of 13 plus 1, right? What we are going to do here is transfer this one here. So we have 2x minus 1 equals square root of 13. Okay, so from here now we square both sides. If we square both sides, we are going to have 2x minus 1 raised to the power 2 equals square root of 13 raised to the power 2. All right. So if you look here, we are going to have this cancel this. Therefore, this will become 2x minus 1 raised to the power 2 equals 13. All right. So now we should recall here that if you have m squared, or let's say, sorry, m minus n, this is equals m squared minus 2mn plus n squared. So comparing this or applying this to this, we have 2x squared minus 2 times 2x, yes, times 1 plus 1 square is equals 13. So let's simplify this. We have 2x squared, we have 2 square x squared, right? So that is 4x squared minus 2 times 2x, that is 4x, minus 4x times 1, that is minus 4x. Then we have plus 1 equals 13. So but let's transfer this 13 here, it becomes minus 13 equals 0. So we are going to have 4x squared minus 4x plus 1 minus 13 is minus 12 equals 0. Okay, so from here now, let's divide throughout by 4. Sorry, let's divide throughout by 4, this by 4, this by 4, and this by 4. We will have x squared, right, minus x minus 3 equals 0. So therefore, we want to obtain x squared. X squared will now becomes x plus 3. Let's start this, right? So take a note of that. So now, you know, where we are going is x raised to the power 7, right? So then to reach here, one of the best way to use is find how we can actually multiply these powers to reach 7. So we can do by saying square this again. If you square this, this will becomes x raised to the power 4, right? So but let's first go with squaring this. If you square equation star. So if you square it, we are going to have x squared equals x plus 3 squared. But remember that if we have a raised to power m from the law of indices, product power law, this is a raised to power mn, right? Which implies that this will become x raised to power 4. So which is equals. Now let's expand this. This will become x squared plus 2 times x times 3 plus then 3 squared. All right. So now we will have x raised to power 4 to be equals, we have x squared. If you multiply it, this will have 2x, 6x, right? So we have 6x plus 9 squared will give us 3 squared will give us 9. All right. So we have this equation, but let's recall that our x squared is our equation star, which is equals x plus 3. So now let's substitute equation star into this. Okay, we say recall that x squared equals x plus 3. So therefore this will become x raised to power 4 equals x plus 3 plus 6x plus 9. So therefore we have x raised to power 4 equals xx, so that is 7x. Then we have 3 plus 9, that is 12, right? But still we are going to x raised to power 7. Let's square this again, right? Square, let's say this equation star, so square equation star, so we have x raised to power 4 square equals 7x plus 12 square. So now we are going to have this x raised to power 8, right? So let's square this. We have 7x square, we have plus, we have 2 times 7x times 12, 7x times 12, right? So then we'll have plus 12 square, 12 square. So now we will have this will become 49x square plus 4 times 7x, that's 14x times 12, that is 168x, yes, plus 12 square will give us 144. So therefore we will have, let's look at something here. If you look at this, you will see we have x squared here, but don't remember from our equation star that our x equals x plus 3. Our x squared is equal to x plus 3. So we have 49 multiplied by x plus 3 plus 168x plus 144. All right. So therefore we'll have this x raised to power 8 equals, let's multiply this, 79 times x, that 49 times x, that's 49x, plus 49 times 3, that is 147, yes, 147 plus we have 168a plus 144. So now, you know, we want to obtain x raised to power 7. The best to make this x raised to power 7 is to divide it by x. Let's divide both sides by x. So, you know, from the law of indices, when number with two copies have been divided, the power of the divisor is subtracted from the power of dividend. So that means that we are going, this one has power of 1. So 8 minus 1 will give us 7. So that is x raised to power 7 equals. So now what we are going to do is add the like term here. 49x plus 68x will give us 217x. Then 147 plus 144 will give us 291. This divided by x. So then we have x raised to the power 7 equals 217x divided by x plus 291 divided by x. So therefore, this will cancel this. So we have x raised to the power 7 equals 217 plus, if you look at this, you know we have 1 divided by x times 291. All right, but recall that the given x, what we let x equals is square root of 13, right, plus 1 divided by 2. So therefore we have x raised to the power 7 to be equals 217 plus, this is 1 divided by x. Abi, if this is 1 divided by x, we can change this to be 1 divided by x. Will be changing the numerator and denominator. Interchanging the numerator and denominator will be 2 divided by square root of 13 plus 1. All right, right. So now here we have 2 divided by square root of 13 plus 1 multiplied by 291. So now we will have x raised to the power 7 equals 217, right, plus what we are going to have is 2 times this, 291 times 2, then divided by square root of 13 plus 1. But what I'm going to do now is we have x raised to the power 7 equals 217 plus, let's multiply this, that is 582, yes, divided by square root of 13 plus 1. So the next is to find the LCM. FCM is square root of 13 plus 1, right? So x raised to the power 7 equals 1 in this, we have this, right, times 217. So we have 217 times square root of 13 plus 1, right? This in this, 1 times 582, that's 582. Okay, so let's expand this. We have x raised to the power 7 equals 217 times root 3, that is 217 root 3, then 217 times 1 will give us 217, so plus 582 divided by square root of 13 plus 1. All right, so therefore we have x raised to the power 7 equals 217 root 3 plus, let's add this together. We have 2 plus 7, that is 9, 8 plus 1, that is 9, 5 plus 2, that is 7, divided by square root of 13 plus 1. Guys, this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Can you like and leave a comment, and don't forget to share with your friends and network. Do well to also subscribe to my channel to stay updated on my next video. Bye.